This is day 7 of doing my daily incense till I get all 3 shiny galarian birds. I accidentally already did my incense. First encounter is a clauncher. Now I am very sorry I haven't done it in, I think it was 2 weeks. It's been raining so much and I just haven't had time to, so yeah. But like, yeah, it's just been raining a heap. And then it comes really sunny and then it rains a lot. So yeah. Slugma, Mankey, Flareon, Bagon, Darumaka, Charmander, Mankey. The Mankey turned out to be a Ditto, which is cool. Sobble, Miltank, Paldean Wooper, Machop, Finneon, Tepig, Execute, Slugma, Jigglypuff, Machop, Hisuian Growlithe, Volbeat, Shelmet, Charizard, Cypher, Foongus, Fuecoco, Charmander, Eevee, Snivy, and it's huge, Flareon, Shellos, oh it's huge, Charmander, Minchino, Charmander, Slugma, Darumaka, Bounsweet, Machop, Mankey, Sork, Hitmonlee, Fuecoco, Growlithe, Hisuian form, Slugma, Machop. 41 Pokemon today, no galarian birds, but I did catch a Ditto and 2 XL Pokemon and a Charizard, which was weird. So yeah, see you for day 8.